Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1:27 scale Mercedes-Benz S-Class W223 from Herpa Models. This is a dealer edition model. The acrylic case has a sticker of the Mercedes logo on the top as seen on other dealer edition models. The name of the car is written in English and German on both sides of the base. Now moving on to the car, it is really well detailed for the scale. The headlights look really nice and the chrome elements on the grille are also really upscale. The hood ornament is a photo-etched part. There is also a small Mercedes logo on top of the grille which is really difficult to see. The side profile looks really nice, and if you look closely, you can see the Mercedes logo on the center cap of the wheel. The back also looks really nice and the tail lamps are really well detailed. The Mercedes logo on the boot is a decal. You can also see the exhaust tips and the reflectors on the bumper. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is well detailed and you can see most of the components from here. The twin spokes of the steering wheel are also visible. You can see the large touchscreen on the center console. There are red colored seats included in the car which look really nice. And through the passenger side of the car, you can see more details on the dashboard, and this is how it looks like from the front. You can also see the cameras and sensors on top of the windshield, and the wipers are not separate. There are chrome inserts in the rearview mirrors which is mind-blowing at this scale. Now this model is not tied or screwed down to the base and has a rather ingenious way of holding it down, and you just have to slide these tabs to the open position to unlock it. It does not require any tools and the model just slides off easily. The tabs can be easily separated from the model just by wiggling it out. And just with that, the model is out of the base. Since most models at this scale are made out of plastic, this is also very lightweight. Since there are no screws holding the car together, the undercarriage is rather clean and has enough detailing on it. The wheels also can roll freely. The headliner also has some amount of detailing to it. You can see the sun visors and the IRVM from here. The IRVM also has silver paint on it, which is a really nice attention to detail. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.